Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about Arduino and Tinkercad. Have you ever wanted to create an interactive electronic project such as a simple robot or just an Arduino smart home? Did you see on the left hand side is the car robot. This car robot equips a lot of sensors. Example, this is an ultrasonic distance sensor. This is the sensor used for measuring the distance of the target object. On the right hand side is the smart home. So this is the gas sensor. The sensor is useful for gas leakage detecting in home and industry. It can detect LPG, butanes, propane, methanes, alcohol, hydrogens, and smoke. All of these are just a small example of an Arduino project. In this course series, all electronic components that I use such as Arduino, LED, breadboard, push button, compared to the real component on the right hand side. Why use virtual component? It is the best for beginner because it prevents you from hardware failure and allows you to test new hardware without spending money. On the right hand side is the virtual hardware that I am going to use in this course series. Now take a look at this layout of Arduino Uno Board in more detail. On the left hand side is the real device, and on the right hand side is the virtual device that we are going to use in this course series. Okay, you see? This is the USB port. This is used for connecting to the computer and allow you to write instruction called programming language to control this board. And this port is also used for powering this board. This is one of the power connector port that we use to power this board when it is not connecting to the USB port. Notice that this port accepts voltage from 9 volts to 15 volts. Near the power connector port, you will see this IC called voltage regulator. A voltage regulator is an IC designed to automatically maintain a constant voltage level. Now related to power, look at all of these power pins. This provides 5 volts and 3.3 volts. This Arduino Uno board has 14 digital input and output pins. Among all of them, 6 digital pins are used for pulse width modulation, right? Notice that pulse width modulation, you will see the teal symbol before the number. On the other side, you will see 6 analog input pins. The big black rectangle IC is the ATmega microcontroller. It is also called the brain of the Arduino. The IC chip runs the program that you write in Arduino IDE. So now we talk about Tinkercad. So what is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is a circuit simulator program that allows anyone to virtually create and program Arduino projects without the need for physical hardware. Not only for circuit, Tinkercad is a free online 3D modeling program that run in a web browser. At the end of this course series, you will be able to use Arduino for simple interactive projects and be ready to jump in more advanced topics. So don't forget to click on subscribe to my YouTube channels to get more videos related to technology.